Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We've got a great one for you today, and this question comes up every year. Happy to do it again. How do I embed a video from YouTube that'll autoplay and also be muted? It's really easy to do. I'll show you exactly how to do it. As you can see, if I reload this page here, page loads, I've got mine on a little delay, should come in after 3 seconds, and then the video is going to start playing. It's muted, but they've got controls here so they can unmute it if they want to. And obviously remute it, skip it through wherever they need to skip it through. You can of course embed it with the audio, but that tends to get on some people's nerves, but it's entirely up to you. So let's get started. I've got the page open here. Let's get rid of this. Okay, well, I've got a row. Inside my row, I've got 2 columns. I'm just going to add a code module to this column right here. And it's exactly the same process in Divi 4 as it is in Divi 5. Once you add the module, you're not going to see anything down there because it's got no content at the moment. But if we look over the right-hand side here, we've got our little code box. Next thing we want to do is go over to YouTube and select the video we want to embed. I've got one of mine up here. And if we look down below the video, you can see a little share button just like this. It gives you the options to share it on social media, etc. I just want to embed mine, so I'm going to hit the little embed button right here. And it gives us some iframe code. Now, if you don't want to start it at the beginning, you can select a start time here. If you don't want to show player controls, you can uncheck that, but I'd leave them checked because we're going to mute this thing in a moment. And if you want them to see the full video with audio, you're going to want them to be able to control it. So I've selected this from the opening iframe code to the closing iframe tag right there. Control C to copy, or you can hit the copy down here. We'll do the same thing. Once you copied it, you can close it back down. We'll go back to our site. I'm going to put my cursor in my code box there and paste it, Control V. And there's our video right there. And that's great, but I want mine to autoplay. And what I'll do is I'll zoom in on this so you can see exactly what's going on. Here's the actual URL of the video itself. Inside, you'll notice lots of inverted commas there. I'm going to put my cursor just inside that last inverted comma right there. I'm going to hit the ampersand or and sign with no gaps here. I'm going to say auto, AUTOPLAY equals 1. If I zoom back out, you'll notice that that video is now started. But it's got audio with it, and that can be, off-putting to some people. So let's just pause that, hence the controls right here. To mute it, we just need to put the cursor at the end of our last entry there, the 1. Again, no gap. I'm going to put another ampersand or and sign. I'm going to say mute, MUTE equals 1. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but you'll notice that there's no sound playing here. Obviously, I can turn my sound up right there. This is Jake. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Very short and sweet video today. You want to be a little bit careful about embedding videos and using videos in general on your site. They will slow the site down slightly. That's why I put mine on a bit of a delay to make sure the whole page is going to load before the actual video starts playing. So let's do that. Still in my code module, I'm going to go over to my design here, down to animation, and let's just have it fade in. But I'm going to have it take perhaps 2 seconds to fade in. 2000 milliseconds here. And I want it to be delayed by about 3 seconds. And that's entirely up to you, but it seems to work very well for me. So if I put 3 seconds in there, 3000 milliseconds, the page is going to load. It's going to take 2 seconds for it to fade in. And a second later, it's going to start autoplaying. So everything should have loaded nicely on this page before then. Let's save our changes. I'm going to turn this preview off, and we'll do a fresh preview on the front end. And here we have it. The page is loaded. A couple of seconds later, it should start to fade in. There it is. Then on second 3, it's going to start playing with no audio. Of course, videos are very visually striking. It's going to get their attention very quickly if something like this happens on your page. Really nice little feature, really easy to do, as you can see. And of course, they can turn the audio on, they can skip forward, backwards, whatever they need to do. Now, you may find on some mobile devices that it doesn't autoplay. That's not a problem with the code, it's a problem with your devices. A lot of smaller devices will stop autoplay of web content as a default setting. But certainly on most desktops and laptops, this is going to work absolutely fine. So one more time, let's refresh this. I'm going to take 2 seconds, it's going to start to fade in. And on second 3, it's going to start to play. Perfect. So there we have it, guys. There's how to autoplay a video and have it muted with Divi 5. This will also work on any platform you want that's got a code module in it. It'll work with HTML, it'll work with Bootstrap. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now don't forget, if you have any questions either about Divi 4 or Divi 5, we've been using Divi 5 for this demo today, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them if I can. So once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.